Nakakuha ng candy.
I want you.
Oh, yeah.
Slide mo.
Oh, like you.
Ang tigas hindi ka marami.
Asan ka? Pabuksan mo ba? Oreo! Oreo! Sa taas. Wag. Oreo. Oreo, ha? Oh, hi! Hello! Thank you for watching Ima, I mean. Ima Kipitril, hello po. Kilindos? What is meant by Kilindos? Thank you for watching. It's beautiful, is that what you mean? Is it a Spanish? How cute! Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, it's Spanish. Oh, thank you. Gracias. Gracias, Mom. Ima, keep it real. Fabio Jose. Hello po. Hello. Thank you for watching. Oh, Oreo. No Oreo. 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 Happy come? This is Happy. Happy, the name of the bird. It's a cockatiel, and this one is Oreo, the kitten. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's Oreo. What time is it there in your country? Here it's morning. What time is it here? It's 7:21. Here in the Philippines, it's 7:21. Buenas noches, buenas gracias, buenos días. Oreo, no Oreo, please. Oreo! Ah, okay. It's the same in Florida. Oreo! Come, Happy. Come, Mommy. Oreo, ha? Titty, titty. She's afraid. Oreo, no. Say hi. Thank you so much, everyone. No. She's not hungry. She thought that Oreo is what? Want to play to, ano? Want to play to... What do you call again? Hey, listen to me, come here. Happy. Oreo wants to play with Happy. She's here. Oreo. Happy, you wanna go na? You used to have a cockatiel too? Is it a female or a male? Both? Magandang umaga, Pilipinas! Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng Filipinos sa buong mundo. Oreo, Oreo. Oreo is playing. Oh. Oreo. We also have lovebirds. Ano pa nga ba yung iba doon?
Lampard.
Hindi. We also have, ano nga ba yung isang ibon natin dati? Maliban sa lovebird. Say thank you so much. What time is it now? Aray, Oreo. Aray ko. Oreo, no! Hi! No, Oreo, please. Don't bite my... You wanted to play again with the phone? Say thank you so much. Happy is happy, yeah. She is very happy. She's not at her cage. And also, Oreo is also happy. Oreo is also happy because she is playing with her dad. That's why Oreo is naughty, because Oreo thought that Happy wants to play with her. Yeah, Oreo is the name of the cat. And Happy is our cockatiel. Here, oh. Just playing my phone again. Oreo, no. Oreo, Happy, I mean. Yeah, it's the cat. Thank you so much, Ma'am Irma. I'm gonna say po as a respect. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Irma. Ima, I think. I mean, Ima. Thank you. Ma'am Ima. We have your YouTube channel too, Ma'am Ima. Or you just keep on biting in my ear. Nice to see you. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Have a good day too. God bless po. I'm going to have my Zumba today, so I'm gonna go na din po after this. Nice meeting you po, Ma'am Ima. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep safe po. Gotta go. Thank you everyone. Bye.